Come test drive the 2024 GV80. The Genesis GV80 is a stylish luxury SUV with third-row seating for all your hauling needs. The exterior has a distinctive and sophisticated look with an interior that is even more impressive and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, power moonroof, electronic stability control, traction control. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.